Good morning. I just got done at the gym. I didn't film anything in the gym because there were a decent amount of people in there and I didn't want to get in the way. I also didn't film me getting ready for the gym. I don't have work this week. Last week was my last week of work. So I woke up at 7 this morning and got to the gym by 8, and I gave myself from 8 to 10 to work out just so I could have like an hour to lift and then also, you know, walk, get some steps in and stretch on the mat afterwards and also get a good mobility warm-up in. I always try to do good mobility and a good stretch before and after a workout, but I really wanted to take extra time to do that today. So now I have to go home. I have a lot of things I have to do today, even though I'm not working. I have a lot of things for content creating that I have to do, and I have a couple of recipes that I need to record for my Instagram. So just a lot of things I have to do before I have dance tonight. So I'm going to take you guys with me. This is my last week in Wisconsin before I fly out to New York, which obviously I will be vlogging all of that process for you guys, hopefully. So, oh my god, I didn't even like introduce myself. Hi, my name is Lainey. If you are new to this channel, if you're not new, thank you for coming back. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below how your week has been, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get into it. I'm about to make some French toast for breakfast. So I'm filming it for Instagram, so if you want to see it, check out the reel on my Instagram at lainey.foods. It's going to be really good. It's going to be like a pumpkin spice, but there's going to be apple cinnamon on it too. I'm trying it with a new ingredient that I haven't tried before. So if you want to see what that is, go check out my Instagram reels and also try out the recipe. Hopefully it'll be good. I actually have not tried it yet. We're trying it today. We're going to film it, see if we can get it in one go, if it's good, and hopefully it will turn out good. So I will be back when I have it and I'll do a taste test on here for you guys. I have the French toast cooking on the stove right now, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna make myself some coffee. That's the sound that our dryer makes right now. Isn't that lovely? We have a Keurig machine, so I use this like little thing here because I drink decaf coffee and I don't buy the K-cups with the decaf because I like to get like freshly ground coffee. And I put it in this airtight container. So I'm gonna empty this out really quick and then put some of this in here. I have this little scooper thing and I just do like one or two of those. Two, I think, yeah. One only fills it up like 2/3 of the way. So I do like just under 2. And then I put it in here. And then I just put it in the machine. Super easy. You do have to take this part out of the machine though to put this in there. It took me a couple minutes to figure out if I even had the right batteries for my new like whisk. But I got it to work. So I'm excited. I'm gonna use it this morning for my coffee that I make. Here's my coffee that I made. I accidentally spilt like half the milk I was trying to froth all over because I was only doing it in a small container and I didn't realize it was gonna like go above the frother. But it tastes amazing. I really didn't do anything different from it from when I usually use a blender. It's just more convenient that I don't have to like clean my entire blender and I can just clean I have it right in front of me, that's why I'm pointing at it. That I can just clean this. It's way easier. Okay, so I have the French toast right here. Again, go check out my Instagram if you want the recipe, but I'm gonna try it on here for you guys. It's pumpkin spice flavored, if I didn't say that earlier. I don't know what I was on when I thought of this, but I'm so glad. French toast should not be that good. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry. It's too good. I'm gonna go sit down and eat this, and then I gotta get onto the next thing because I got a lot of stuff to do today. This French toast that I just had was literally so good. I don't like pumpkin usually. It makes me feel sick. But for some reason, this was really good. If I would have had any more, I probably would have started to feel sick. But I think I had just the right amount of like pumpkin and like pumpkin spice in it. It wasn't too overpowering. I know some people really, really like it. So I think that, you know, if you go check out the recipe and you really, really like pumpkin spice, you can add more. The way that I made it was perfect for me as someone who does not love pumpkin, and sometimes it can be too powerful and make me feel sick. Now that I'm done having my breakfast, I'm just going to sit on my couch chair for a little bit and edit some reels that need to be posted this week. I'm going to edit the recipe that I just made this morning and a couple other ones that I need to post throughout the week just so that they're ready to go so I don't have to worry about doing it the day of. I just got done editing the content that I needed to edit. Winston, what are you doing? My dog is down here. He's really little, so you can't really see him. Come here. This is Winston, if you haven't seen him in any of my videos before. I don't know how often I really show him, but he's my best friend. But anyways, as I was saying, I just got done editing what I needed to for Reels Instagram content. So now I'm gonna do my physical therapy while watching some YouTube on my TV. I'm doing physical therapy now. I normally do it at night before I go to bed, but I have a busier evening because I have dance tonight. So I figured I have a little bit of time right now. I might as well just do it now so I don't have to worry about doing it later. I'm not really gonna explain anything. Just thought it'd be fun to kind of show you what I have to do for physical therapy. Don't judge me. A lot of this stuff is internal work and core work and stuff for dealing with period pain. I accidentally went to Netflix instead of YouTube. Ahaha. I mean, I could watch Netflix, but no, I want to watch YouTube right now.
Whole Twilight playlist for my
So I just got done eating lunch and now I need to, well, I don't need to, I want to go for a walk and get some fresh air, and walks just help me clear my head. Not that I have like too much on my head today, just a little bit of anxiety and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. Probably it'll be like a 30 to 45 minute walk. I think I'm gonna listen to a podcast because since the Monday, a decent amount of podcasts come out on Mondays. I'm just wearing my chunky Filos. Hopefully it's not too cold out. I might have to throw a jacket on, I'm not sure. It's like really nice out right now. It's like 68 degrees, I think my phone said. And I'm just trying to take in the scenery for this last week that I'm here. It's weird for me to think about the fact that like in a week I'm gonna be waking up in a completely new location and I won't be able to like go on this specific walk anymore because I usually go on the same walk. I'm gonna be walking in a city, first of all. I know I'm not gonna be walking past like family friends' houses and stuff when I get back into town. And I won't be on this specific trail for a long while. This is weird to think about. I'm super excited, really grateful that I even get to be able to go on walks and stuff like this. I cried the other day when I was walking on this trail because I was like, wow, like it's finally starting to hit me, but it's still, my brain I can't wrap my head around the idea of this dream that I've had since I was so little, like actually coming true. It's amazing. Okay, just got home, grabbed a coffee from the fridge. I'm gonna drink this and work on cleaning up my room a little bit. I cleaned it up a little bit the other day too, but I put on my to-do list that I wanted to clean it a little more. I also wanted to clean down my bathroom today, so first I'm gonna get this into a glass. Finished cleaning up the rest of my room. I really didn't have much to clean up. And now I'm working on, I have to get onto a thing called Canvas for my school, so I'm watching an intro video on how to do it. I don't know if I technically have to do this yet, but I figured I got an email link to it, so I figured I should probably start on this. I'm gonna start on this, just gonna watch this video. It's like 23 minutes, see what happens.
Recent feedback. Learn more about the Canvas interface in Module 1 of the Passport to Canvas.
I just took a bath just because my left calf has been bothering me a little bit, like my Achilles. So that's what I did. And then I just got ready for dance. I don't wear these shorts when I dance, but this is my Leo. It's new. I just got it. I had to get some new ones because I need to have black Leos for school. I really like this one. I think it's really pretty, the detailing. The flowers are like velvet. And then this is like a netting, if you can't tell. It's not like a high neck because I have one that's like up to here, but it's like, I don't know if you consider this a mock neck maybe, but I think it's really cute. I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal with a protein shake and some fruit before I head to dance. And hopefully I will catch you guys after that when I'm having dinner. The salad is so good. I do a base of greens. I do roasted broccoli, roasted chickpeas, roasted sweet potato, apples, and vegan chicken with either feta or parmesan depending on what I'm feeling, and a Caesar dressing. And I just mix it all together. It's so good. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to, again, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how your week has been. What other kind of videos would you want to see from me? What kind of content do you want to see when I go out to New York? I do plan on filming a Q&A because someone left a comment on my last video requesting a Q&A, so that will be coming up soon. I will make sure to put up a question box on my Instagram sometime this coming week so that I can get that made for you guys. Remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.